This roasted vegetable pasta is simple, comforting, and full of deep flavor. The secret is letting the vegetables do all the work. Cook the pasta in boiling salted water until al dente. Do not add oil to the water so the sauce can cling beautifully to the pasta. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Toss onions, bell peppers, and tomatoes with olive oil, salt, pepper, and thyme. When roasting, let some of the vegetables get lightly charred. Those slightly burnt edges add a deep, smoky flavor to the sauce. Roast until soft, caramelized, and concentrated. Blend the roasted vegetables in a food processor until smooth and creamy. In a pan over low heat, sauté the garlic gently in a tablespoon of olive oil. Let it release its aroma without browning. Add the roasted vegetable sauce and warm it slowly. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed. Add the cooked pasta and toss until every piece is coated. Use a splash of pasta water if the sauce needs loosening. Turn off the heat and add cheese if using. Finish with fresh parsley or basil. Serve immediately and enjoy a simple dish made the chef way.